Susan Bunovich packs up the gift bags, along with these bright pink pillows to go to breast cancer patients.
These are the dressings that they have, so this way they don't have to go out and buy anything.
She is always putting the patient first.
And I always tell my patients, I'm your new best friend.
Susan is a breast health nurse at Grant Medical Center, and for 30 years, she has walked breast cancer patients from diagnosis through treatment.
Initially, they're scared. They don't think they can do it. We put this whole plan in front of them, and they go, oh my God, this is just overwhelming. I know in my heart they can do it because I've seen hundreds and hundreds of women do it and do great. But you just have to walk with them.
Wanda Brown was 48 when she got the diagnosis.
I just happened to feel a lump.
That lump led to a diagnosis of triple-negative breast cancer.
It's the deadliest one that you can have outside of inflammatory, and it affects more African American women.
And that led Wanda to help bring the Sisters Network to Columbus, a national African American breast cancer survivors group emphasizing the importance of mammograms.
We go to churches, we go to AA meetings, we go halfway houses, any place that the underserved are.
Wanda is a breast cancer survivor and still a fighter.
You beat it.
I beat it. Whenever anything else happens to me medically, I'm like, that's the best you got. I beat breast cancer, so what's next? And I just keep going, because if you can beat breast cancer, you can beat all the odds against anything else.
Wanda and Susan, two passionate women on the front lines of breast cancer.
The thing I always hear from the patients, even a year later, was, Susan, I still have my pillow